Okay, practice test 1, section 8. This will be the last section we do for this practice test. Number 1, we're asked to find the employees. So in development, we have one team of 4. Marketing, 2 teams of 3. Accounting, 3 teams of 2. And PR, 5 teams of 5. That makes 41 employees. Answer choice C. Number 2, we're asked to solve for B. It looks like we can add a cubed to both sides. So this means b is equal to 3 or b is equal to negative 3. And b equal to 3 is the correct answer. Number 3, for the first half of the race, this runner can run a mile anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes. And in the second half of the race, he's 1 to 2 minutes slower, or she is 1 to 2 minutes slower. So if we add 1 minute to 5, that's 6. And 2 minutes to 7, that's 9. This gives us the widest possible range we could have. And that's answer choice C. Okay, Carmel is spinning a basketball on his finger. It turns one complete turn every 1.5 seconds. And he's going to be spinning this ball for 10 seconds. We want to know how many degrees. Well, I think on something like this, we can just let the units be our guide and do unit analysis here, or sometimes you might heard it as dimensional analysis. You might use it in chemistry. We'll start with 10 seconds. Then we know that 1.5 seconds is equivalent to 1 turn. So we're really multiplying by 1. And then 1 turn is equivalent to 360 degrees. And what happens is the units cancel, and we're left with degrees, which is what we need. So we have 3,600 degrees over 1.5. So the answer is 2,400 degrees. Answer choice E. So we didn't really have to worry about when we should multiply or when we should divide. We let the units tell us when to do each. Okay, number 5, we're going to be working with fractions. If a certain fraction is equal to 1/3, then we'll do something to the numerator. We'll subtract 1, then we'll divide the denominator by 2 and see if the resulting fraction is equal to 1/2. So let's just test answer choice A. So if the denominator is 3 and this fraction is equal to 1/3, the numerator would just have to be 1. Then after we make our transformation, we subtract 1 from the numerator, and then we divide the denominator by 2. That fraction does not equal 1/2, so answer choice A cannot be correct. If the original denominator is 4, that makes finding the numerator a little bit difficult. So let's hold off on B. Let's go check C. Let's check 6. So the numerator would have to be 2. If we subtract 1 from the numerator and divide the denominator by 2, that fraction does not equal 1/2, so C cannot be the answer. Let's check D. That's a 9. So this would force this to be 3/9 to be equal to 1/3. Subtract 1 from the numerator. That's not equal to 1/2. Let's check E real quickly, right here. 12. To make this equal to 1/3, the numerator would have to be a 4. That transformation, this would be 3, this would be 6, and that equals 1/2. So we were fortunate to find the answer, choice E, so we really don't have to worry about even working B.